I've been making chia pudding for a long time with chia seeds, but now basil seeds are becoming quite popular. And some people claim that they're less tough on their intestinal tract. They don't bloat as much with basil seeds. And they have no flavor, no smell at all. So you can make them into anything you want. I'm making not chia pudding like I usually do. I'm making basil seed pudding. It sounds kind of funny. So I take my favorite kind of moo. I use milk walnuts, which is just walnuts and water. Very good on the omega-3s. And then I add in 2 scoops, but the measurement amount is about 1/3 of a cup of the basil seeds. And you can vary it based on the milk you're using. It may vary. So I put the 2 scoops in, or it's 1/3 of a cup. And then I put the lid on right away because you want to do this right away. Give it a good shake. Cheeky, 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 cheeky. Okay, there it is. That's a good shake. Now you got to add some more moo into there, whatever moo you want, and then make sure you leave some room at the top because you still need to shake it. So that's really important. Don't fill it up all the way. Give it a couple of shakes, and then you can put it on the counter, or you can leave it in the put it in the refrigerator and come back 30 minutes later, and this is what you have. It's like the consistency of like a rice pudding, very similar to chia pudding, but it really absorbs the milk or whatever liquid you use big time, and that's it. Enjoy.